काँग्रेसीचे आदले आमदार सोपटे आणि शिरोडकाराचे राजीनामे सभापतीन मानून घेतले म्हूण मोगो हायकोर्टात. पक्षांतर बंदीचो कायदो आनीक खर जाय म्हूण मोगो कोर्टात गेला. पटपा सारखे कारण नासतना राजीनामे दिवपी आमदारांक वेंचणूक लडोवंक दिवची न्ही, तांकां सरकारी लाभाचे पोस्ट दिवचे न्ही म्हूण मोगोन इश्यू कोर्टात व्हेला. याचिकेची सुनावणी शुक्रारा सोंपली. मोगोन दावो केलो तो असो. काँग्रेसीचे आदले आमदार सोपटे आनी शिरोडकाराचो राजीनामो कायदेशीर पद्दतीन ना. गोंयचे सभापती कडेन राजीनामो फॅक्सान धाडलो म्हणजे ताचेर खरी सय ना. खरी सय नासतना सभापतीन ताची सत्यता पळोवंक जाय आशिल्ली. अशें आसतना सभापतीन ताकतिकेन राजीनामे मानून घेतले.
We pointed out to the High Court that the resignation that was forwarded was not in accordance with the business rules of the Assembly. Now, business rules of the Assembly provide for a particular form to be followed, and the resignation has to be in original, and in fact has to be in original. Now, the fax that was received from, we even pointed out the agency from which the fax was sent, that has also been annexed by as a petition. Now, so and law basically provides that if the resignation letter is not in accordance with the rules, then the speaker should send it back and ask the member to submit a fresh resignation letter. Now, court has considered all this. Now, court is basically concentrating on the issue as to whether there is the resignation was involuntary or not. Now, who can claim that it was involuntary?
मोगोचे दाव्यांचेर हायकोर्ट सातिस्वेत दिसलो ना. हायकोर्टान निरीक्षण केला तें अशें: स्वता जावन राजीनामो दिल्लो ना आनी तरी सभापतीन राजीनामो घेतला जाल्यार आव्हान दिवपाचो अधिकार फक्त संबंदीत आदले आमदार सोपटे आनी शिरोडकाराक. पक्षांतर बंदी कायद्या प्रमाण खंयचोय लोकप्रतिनिधी पार्टी सोडून दुसरे पार्टीत वचूंक शकता आनी नव्यान वेंचणुकेक उबो रावंक शकता. पक्षांतर बंदी कायद्यांत दुरुस्ती करपाक वेंचणूक आयोगान सरकार आनी कायदो आयोगाक सुचोवणी करची म्हूण मोगोन याचिकेंत याचना घाली. ते विशीं मोगो खरेंच सिरियस आसा काय म्हूण हायकोर्टाचो मोगो प्रश्न.
As far as reforms in the anti-defection law is concerned, and that issue also may be decided by the court. I have not argued much on that issue, but then I have told the court that looking at the manner in which defections are taking place, court should consider this issue also.
शुक्रारा सुनावणी जाली. हायकोर्टान निकाल राखून दवरला. मोगोक तांच्या राजीनाम्याचेर कोर्टात वचपाचो अधिकार ना. सोपटे आनी शिरोडकारान स्वताचे मर्जीन राजीनामो दिवंक ना जाल्यार तेच कोर्टात वचूंक शकतात. राजकारणाचे विशय कोर्टा भायरूच सोडोवचे म्हूण कोर्टाचे मोगोक शिनाल.
While reserving the order on a petition filed by MGP, the High Court has observed that the prayers and questions raised in the petition are given constitutional colors, but actually they are political in character. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.